and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Precious Memories full bleed prayer cards. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts drop-down, we'll select Full Bleed. Next, we'll click on the Print Information tab to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. At this point, we typically suggest to look at both the front and back of the template to be sure that everything has generated correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, click File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper. We're going to flip on the short edge because it is a landscape template. On the right-hand side, you'll want to make sure that the document and page size match in both width and height. From there, we'll go into the Advanced Properties, and below we'll make a few changes. On the document size, we'll want to make sure that it matches the 8.5 by 14 legal page size that we saw on the previous page. The orientation is still landscape. Here, we'll change the ink to color. On the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type. This will always be thick 1 in order to ensure that the ink will stay on the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings, creating a preset to use for future cases. Do this by naming the preset here and clicking OK. Once you've done this, you'll create an icon that you'll just click on future cases, and it'll make the same exact settings. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.